Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர் என்ன எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் 6th standard term 2 economics and introduction. In villages, once in a week or month, all things are sold in a particular place at a specific time to meet the needs of the people. That is called Sandai. Consumer goods. The finished goods which are bought from the market to fulfill the daily needs of the consumers is called consumer goods. For example, rice, clothes and bicycle, etc. About barter system, Pandamatra Murai. A person who has rice in surplus and a person who has cloth in surplus will exchange on the basis of their needs. But here the problem is that the person who has clothes should have the willingness to buy rice. Only then the exchange through barter system will take place. Issue faced in barter system. When they exchange commodities, they may lead to certain problems. When comparing the differences in the value of commodity to solve this problem, people invented a tool called money. The amount from the income which is left for future needs after consumption is called savings. அளவறிந்து வாழாதான் வாழ்க்கை யுளப்போல வில்லாகி தோன்றா கெடும். தன் செல்வத்தின் அளவு அறிந்து அதற்கேற்ப வாழாதவனுடைய வாழ்க்கை பல வளங்களும் இருப்பது போல தோன்றி உண்மையில் இல்லாதவனாய் பின்பும் அப்போய் தோற்றமும் இல்லாமல் அழியும். Agriculture and industries are helpful in the economic development of our country. Our country economics is based on three economic activities. Primary activities. They are concerned with the production of raw materials for foodstuff and industrial use. Primary activities include agriculture, cattle rearing, fishing, mining, collection of fruits, nuts, honey, rubber, resin and medical herbs, lumbering. Agriculture. Agriculture is the primary occupation. There won't be any kind of facilities like our cities. At the same time, they get their basic needs fulfilled easily. There are small shops. Vegetables are grown in abundance just like rice and pulses. So, the sugar that is added in our milk, coffee and tea is produced in sugar mills. The raw material sugar cane is cultivated in villages. From chilies to mustard, all those provisions used for food are grown in villages. Gandhiji has said that the villages are the backbone of our country. Tamil Nadu. More than 50% of the world's population live in cities. In our state, Tamil Nadu, 47% of the people are in cities. Tamil Nadu is well developed in secondary and tertiary activities as well. These are city-centered activities. Secondary activities. The raw materials obtained from the primary activities are converted into finished products through machinery on a large scale. These activities are called secondary activities. Industries are classified on the basis of the availability of raw material, capital and ownership. On the basis of raw material, industries are classified as agro-based industries, cotton textiles, sugar mills and food processing. Forest-based industries, paper mills, furniture making, building materials. Mineral-based industries, cement, iron, aluminium industries. Marine-based industries, seafood processing. Tertiary activities. I already told you that industries produce goods and distribute them to the people. For this purpose, some services are required. These services are called tertiary activities or service sector. The service sector serves the people to fulfill their daily needs like transport, roadways, railways, waterways and airways, communication, post, telephone, information technology, etc. Trade, procurement of goods, selling, banking, money transaction, banking services. Glossary. Consumer, the one who uses the products, commodity, products, occupation, work or job, settlement, living place of human beings. எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம 11th 12th வந்து டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்க போகிறோம். 11th standard 12th standard எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் தான் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ அதை பற்றி இனிமேல் வர சாப்டரில் டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம்.